In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to find local website design clients. In other words, clients that live actually near to you. Now, one of the advantages of actually doing this is that it's easier to find clients that are near to you as compared to trying to get maybe, for example, international clients or clients at a national level. The reason why I say that is because when you're trying to get maybe international clients, you're competing with so many other website design companies out there. Some of them have got years of experience. They've got tons of reviews and they've done amazing work. But when you are working as a beginner or you're just starting up, it's easy to find local clients because they are within your vicinity. And there are also very few companies that you're going to be competing with locally. For example, if I just go to Google and I just type and I say website design companies near me, Google is going to show me a map. Like as you can see this map here, these are the different companies that pop up in my area of people that actually do website design. And I would also recommend that you actually do some research, like just check out all these different companies. Most of them have got their websites there. Like you could just click on the website, open it up, just do some research about them. Look at the way that they design the websites. Which websites have they designed? Like maybe if they put a portfolio of the designs that they've done, if they excuse me, if they put their pricing, like how much do they actually charge? You just want to do some research to get a feel of, okay, how much are people locally actually offering website design services, right? So using the same approach, but now we're going to be targeting our niche, right? Let's say that your niche is, let me change that to plumbers. My spelling was wrong there. If I say plumbers near me, right? And I just do a search, I'm able to see on Google plumbers that are actually within my area. Now, this works for any niche. I'm just using plumbers as an example. But what you will then do is that when you just scroll down a bit, you'll see this option here where these details start appearing. This is Google Maps, right? So you'll see like, okay, the first one is sponsored, meaning that they're actually paying to be on this front page. But what you then can do is that you can click here where it says more businesses. And you're going to see all the different plumbing services that are actually within your local area. And then what you can do is that you can identify two types of people. Number one, the ones with websites, like this one. I'm just going to click on the website. And then we open it up and see what it looks like. What I'm trying to do with the ones with websites is I'm trying to find websites that I know I can improve and I can make better. For example, this one. This one looks terrible, according to me. Why do I say that? First and foremost, this is a plumbing website. But my first perception when I come to this website, when I scroll down, I don't see anything to do with plumbing. Meaning that when someone comes to this website, how do they know that this is the right website? And yet there are no images that say something about plumbing. Secondly, you want to have a huge like banner at the top here. We normally call it a hero section where you call out your ideal client, the people that you want to help. Like you want to say something like plumbing services for local, mention your area, you mention the problems that you help solve them, that you're helping those people to solve. But notice what they say here, honored plumbing, award-worthy plumbing and heating company. No one cares that you have won awards. People care about whether you can help solve their problems or not. So me just looking at this website, I can already tell that I can make a better website than this one. So I would reach out to this company. Look at the colors themselves, look at the arrangements, it just, to me, it just looks like it's a mess. So I would actually reach out to this company and actually offer to help them with website redesign. I go on to the next one. Here's another one here. Okay, I zoomed out there by mistake. Here's the next one here, which is Fix Plumbing and Maintenance. You notice that they don't have a website, right? I would look for their phone number. There's their phone number there. I would reach out to them and say, hey, I was looking for a plumber in my area and I noticed you didn't have a website. I would then pitch to them that most of your competitors have got websites. I would like to create a website for you. I'm not going to talk about how to actually pitch to clients because I spoke about that in different videos. But we're just talking about how to find clients here. So I would identify this one that doesn't have a website. I'll reach out to them. I'll call them. Or maybe I can even just walk to them. Like if I click on here on directions, it will show me how to get to their place. I move on to the next one. Here's another one with the website. Let's see how the website looks like when we just open it up. If this is a website that we can improve, or this is just a business that we just stay away from. Here's another one that has got a terrible website, right? So probably what means is that probably someone did websites for all these different companies maybe a while back, and because they didn't have a website, they just said yes. But generally, these websites they really look bad. This makes sense because yes, there is a plumber there, but if you look at like the images, like okay, who is this for? I'm just seeing urgent geyser assistance, urgent drainage, urgent plumbing. Okay, that kind of makes sense to have that at the top because it's urgent. But then at the top here, remember what I mentioned? No one cares about your logo. Your logo should be at the left there, or not even there at all. But then there should be like something that calls out and says that, okay, this is what you are struggling with. For example, if you are struggling with, as your geyser just burst or something, we'll do the repairs for those within 30 minutes, something like that. Book a call with us right now, call us right now, and we'll be on our way. Whatever instructions you're going to be giving people, but they must appear here at the top. This tells me that I can actually improve this website. So let me just look for maybe just one more, and then we will see. Here's another one. Okay, let's see this one. Let's just open this one and then open this one. Let's see these two, if I can improve these websites. But I guess you get the point now that we're just looking for companies that don't have good websites that we can work on and improve. Okay, this one is better because it's implementing what I was saying, that you want to have an image of the problem that you're solving. Then they say your city's #1 plumbers. No one really cares. What problem are you solving? Right? Okay, but this website is a bit better. It seems like they know what they're doing, because can you see there's images of the different things that they're offering, which is a whole lot much better. They've got like the different companies that they've worked with there. So yes, if I can do a better job than this, I will reach out. But generally, this website looks quite good. Here's another one again. This one also kind of looks quite good. I would really target the ones that really look terrible. The fact that they've got a website tells me that, okay, they're willing to invest in a website, but then we need to improve it. And then I use the approach of showing them value in that, okay, this is what you can achieve with your website, but because you have this current website, you're not achieving this. And then I talk to them about what exactly I can improve on their website. So if you use this approach, you'll be able to find a list of companies that you can reach out to easily, offer them your website design services, and hopefully you can start getting some good clients from that.